Now, just one time, just for fun, will you show me the tiniest face you can make? The smallest, smallest. Okay, one more big face, just for fun. Make it the biggest one ever.
Welcome to a musical in rhyming and in song. We hope that you brought your umbrellas along. We'll be entering the rainforest where we can safely say you're sure to see a little rain each and every day. From the tops of the trees to the rainforest floor, you'll meet a host of creatures that you've never seen before. So come on everyone, to the rainforest we'll go, because now it's time to start our show. make us excellent hunters, and we think that swell. Unlike other cats, we don't mind getting wet. We're excellent swimmers, on that you can bet. We're active at night and rest most of the day. Our eyesight is so good, we like it that way. We can continue our floors for. Come meet us now and learn a lot more.
Ashley. She's adorable. I know. She's so cute. Okay, see the butterfly.
Next, we'd like to introduce to you a rainforest insect called iridescent blue. We're talking about the blue morpho butterfly. The great foot is sight as it flies in the sky. Their undersides are color brown, their wingtips are colored blue. You'll see exactly what we mean as we show them now to you. Because here they are. Well, we better watch them from afar.
Sue Bolin, our fantastic piano player.
Woohoo! That was awesome. Aww.
Nora, thank you so much for everything that you do. This is amazing. We can't thank you enough.
Of course, we cannot let you all go without thanking our amazing costume designers and builders. I mean, this is Edna's class, this is Rebecca Flores and Kate Weiss. Here's the Boston class, Kelly Sparks and Christina Lehman. Oh, okay. And then from Mr. Sanchez's class is Lori Fiber, Jason Fiber, Dana Self. There's more. Hold on. Sharon Nakatani, Belinda Magnow, Tatiana Lopez, and Sydney Gibbons. And from my class, Michelle McCarthy, Ira Stewart, and Jill Beach. Thank you so much. You guys are amazing. Also, I want to say on behalf of the teachers and our beautiful little people behind us, we want to say thank you to Kiddo also.